Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. Today in this video, we will see how to write a Python program to create a different list having difference between the value and its reverse from another list. Already in the previous video, we have seen this program. If you have any questions in that program, so please comment below. Today in this video, we will see more extension to this program. So in the previous video, we have printed all the values after getting the difference, after doing the difference. But I want only positive difference. Like here minus 18 is the negative difference and 9 is the positive difference we got and minus 18 is the negative difference. Now in this video we will see how to get the positive difference separately and how to get the negative difference separately. Now I will explain the code once again. Here X is the list of elements which is containing 13, 54, 68. These are the elements and we are assigning to X and we are creating an empty list Y, and for n in X means each value in X it will take 13, 54, 68 as each values. First it will take 13 and it will enter the loop, and after that int 13 will be converted to string, means 1, 3 it will convert. After that it will negative index, it will do negative index, means it will convert reverse that that string 13 to 31, and after doing all these operations it will append that number to Y list. Now Y list contains 13, again it will go, it will take 54 now and it will enter the loop, again it will do the same operations. Now Y in the list it will append the value, now it contains 45, again it will go, it will take 68 and it will enter the loop, again it will do this operations like converting into string, after that reverse indexing. Now it will append the value to the Y, and now Y contains the elements like 31, 45, 86, and after that it will print Y. So we got output like this, reverse of each element in the list, and after that difference equal to empty list. We are creating a empty list and we are assigning to the diff variable, and later on for I in range of length of X, here length of X means list of X, this contains 3 elements, so length of X is 3. Now it will enter the loop. Now D equal to X of I minus Y of I. It will take the first element from the list, it will take first element in the Y. Now 13 minus 31, it will do difference, and that difference will be stored in D. D equal to 13 minus 31, we got minus 13, that is the negative difference. That negative difference will be appended to the different list. Now this list contains minus 18 as the value. Now again it will go. Now it will take the second element 54 minus 45. Now we got D equal to 9, that is positive difference. That 9 will be appended to this list. And again it will go 68 minus, it will take 68 minus 86. Now we got again for a negative index. That we got a negative value, negative difference. That negative difference will be stored in D. That D will be appended to this list, and later on it will print the value. So we got minus 18, 9 comma minus 18. Now we have to differentiate positive difference and negative difference. We will see how to do. So after appending the values, here you have to write if D greater than 0 colon save. Now go to command prompt and type the file name .py, enter. See, we got difference, positive difference we got. This is the out. Paste here. Yeah, this is the positive difference. So after doing reversing, we are differentiating the each elements in the x with the each elements in the y. Then we got some difference. In that, I don't want negative difference. I want positive difference. So here 9 is the positive difference. Now if we want a negative difference, what we have to do? We have to do d less than 0, because negative values all are less than 0, right? That's why 0, d less than 0. Now we will do save. Now again go to command prompt. Now give the file name .py. See, we got negative difference. Copy this and paste here. See, now if we change d greater than 0, we'll get positive difference. If we change if d less than 0, we get negative difference. In this way, we need to find negative difference, positive difference. I hope everyone clear with this code and output. If you have any questions, please comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding, keep learning.